The Minnesota State Patrol has reopened the case surrounding the fatal car crash that took the life of Seth Hansen last December. Today, I sat down to talk with his father. December 8, 2007. 19-year-old Seth Hansen was driving on Highway 75 south of Clinton, out for a night of fun with his friends. Seth and his passenger Heather Lammer were allegedly racing another car driven by Ben Leifert and Greg Larson. The two cars went back and forth passing each other, reaching speeds up to 150 miles per hour. At the time, the drivers had apparently been drinking. Just like that, Seth's car went off the road and flipped over. Heather made it out alive, but when the others went to look for Seth, they say they couldn't find him. The three left the scene before the ambulance arrived. Seth's father, Roger, obtained the cell phone records, but they didn't add up. According to Roger, the records indicate the accident took place at 2:12 a.m., but the 911 call was not made until 2:50 a.m. 1 year later, and still so many unanswered questions remain, like what took so long to make that 911 call, and why would Seth's friends leave him at the scene in temperatures of -14 degrees?
I just don't understand how you leave your best friend out there and do this.
Heather, Ben, and Greg are all key witnesses to what really happened that night. But it seems their stories keep changing. Something making the case even more difficult is the fact that the original witness statement has somehow disappeared. Roger has spent the past year searching for answers. He's documented every part of the case in a record book.
Not knowing it just keeps you awake and keeps you thinking, and your mind races. If I can't sleep, I take my book out and I look for something that I've missed someplace.
Although nothing will bring his son back, this father just wants to know the truth about what happened on that fateful night.
I understand my son's gone and he ain't coming back. I just hope by the grace of God that somebody comes forward and tells the truth.
In Clinton, Kristen Haubrick, KSAX Eyewitness News. And I hope the Hansen family can find closure. Well, a cold and windy day